perfect and past simple are two confusing tenses to most of English learners. This lesson will help you to understand how to differentiate the usage of the two tenses. First, we will see the examples.
We've won the cup! It's our at last! The present perfect tells us about the past and the present. The red team have won the cup, so it belongs to them now. Well, we won the cup last year. The past symbol tells us about the past, a time which is finished. Last year is in the past. We use the past symbol. We watched Man United last week. Right, we have watched Man United last week. Wrong. Long time ago, dinosaurs lived here. Right, long time ago, dinosaurs have lived here. Wrong. More examples and explanations. Present perfect. Emma has packed her case. So her things are in the case now. Mike has repaired the chair. So the chair is all right now. The plane has just landed. I have turned the heating on. It's on now. I've dropped my calculator. It's on the floor now. Past symbol. Emma packed her case last night. Her things may be unpacked now. Mike repaired the chair. It may be broken again now. The plane landed 10 minutes ago. I turned the heating on earlier, but it's off again now. I dropped my calculator, but it seems to be okay. I've done it. I did it yesterday. We often give a piece of news in the present perfect. We use the past simple to give details or to ask for details about things such as when and where it happened. Laura, we bought a new car. Tom, oh, have you? What sort? Laura, a Mercedes. We bought it last week. I found my wallet. Oh, good. Where did you find it? Your parcel has arrived. The postman brought it at 8 o'clock. They've closed the factory. Really? When did they do that? Structures with for, since and last. Present perfect. We can say that something hasn't happened for a long time or since a specific time in the past. We haven't had a party for ages. We haven't had a party since Christmas. Past simple. We can say that it is a long time since something happened or when was the last time it happened. It's ages since we last had a party. It's Christmas was the last time we had a party. I've been or I was. Present simple. I've been in hospital for 3 weeks. I am still in hospital now. We use the present perfect for a state, which has gone on up to the present. Susan is still in hospital. We've lived here for 10 years. And we still live here. Past perfect. I was in hospital for 3 weeks. Now I am well and out of hospital. We use the past symbol for a state in the past, in a period which is finished. Susan's stay in hospital is over. We lived there for 10 years. We don't live there now. Have you ever? And did you ever? Present perfect. We use the present perfect for actions, in a period of time up to the present. This young director has made 4 films so far. He has made film means that it's possible he will make more films. Here are some more examples. Have you ever been to America? Yes, twice. I've played table tennis before. We've never had any money. Past simple. We use the past simple for actions in the past, a period which is finished. The director made many films in his long career. He made films means that his career in films is over. He won't make any more. Some more examples. Did Churchill ever go to America? Yes, I think so. I played table tennis at college. We never had any money in those days.
Contractions in English. When we learn English speaking, we will see some words which are written in short. Those are contractions. Contractions are often used in place of auxiliary verbs such as is, are, am, will, have, has, had, and would. See the following examples. Regular. I am British. He is Chinese. They are Italians. There is a man at the door. Where's the butter? What is he doing? Who is that? She is going to the beach. We are going to eat now. They are not ready yet. I will be back in a minute. There will be lots of food. I have seen that movie already. She has finished her homework. I had played that game before. We would be glad to help. They would like to go now. Contracted. I'm British. He's Chinese. They're Italians. There's a man at the door. Where's the butter? What's he doing? Who's that? She's going to the beach. We're going to eat now. They're not ready yet. I'll be back in a minute. There'll be lots of food. I've seen that movie already. She's finished her homework. I'd played that game before. We'd be glad to help. They'd like to go now.